Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. Basically you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping on the screen, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through settings. So basically you can press the side button to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, here tap on display, and then tap on watch face to open the watch face menu. Then you can scroll through the list of watch faces, tap on the watch face to select it and apply it. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. So let me move this aside, bring the phone here, wake the screen up on it. Actually, let me close the app, zoom out the camera, like this. Okay, and once you have the phone that is paired with your watch, you can open the Huawei Health application on it. In the app, you can tap on devices and then select Honor Watch ES. And here you can scroll down, tap on the watch faces, rather tap on the more button on the watch faces category. Then you can tap on mine, and here you have the list of watch faces installed on your watch, and you can select one. This one needs update, so we're gonna skip it. Maybe this one. So select the watch face and tap on set as default. And once you tap on set as default, the watch face will be applied. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.